guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to take you along with us to visit an authentic mango and coconut farm that is located on Guimaras Island, the home of the famous Mango Festival. We'll see how the owner of this farm grows, protects, nurtures, and harvests the mangoes on this sprawling piece of land in the middle of nowhere. We'll also see how they harvest coconuts from the abundance of coconut trees growing there as well.
Part of the coconut shell.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Jody Adventure. My name is Odie.
And my name is Joe. Together we're Jody. Welcome to our mango adventure.
Yes, in Guimaras.
I got all the swing in me. I got all the 1, 2, 3. I got all the swing in me. Dance with me. Dance with me.
After staying a couple of nights at a beautiful Alabiud Cove Resort, where we enjoyed the beach, the floating restaurant, and the island hopping tour, it was time for us to say goodbye, head back to the ferry, and leave Guimaras Island.
But before leaving, we all had a craving for some delicious Guimaras Island mangoes to take with us, so we stopped at a small market along the way. We were sure the mangoes at this Igang public market would be really yummy.
So we're gonna take you to the Igang market in Nueva Valencia, Guimaras. Let's see what they have in here.
Okay, let's take a look inside. Oh my goodness. Looks like they have some really great mangoes here. Are these the yellow mangoes?
Yeah, these are yellow mangoes that we can eat.
That's like 2 kilograms.
So now that we've satisfied our mango fix, we headed off to the port to catch the ferry, but we noticed another bigger market that looked really interesting.
Oh my! Always curious about the different products available at local markets in different towns. We decided to stop and take a look around the Nueva Valencia public market.
So we are heading to crossing this Ocho market, they call it. And actually they don't have a real wet market here. I mean one specific place, but there's a store everywhere that you can almost find everything. We'll go see what they have. So this is their wet market. I guess the fish are gone today. It's already after 12. So of course the banana. You want some banana? They're really good. And of course, dried fish. Oh, and this beautiful lady selling bananas. And they have different fresh vegetables. Canada. Oh. Okay, so guess what? We found a place here where they make windows. What's the name of your store?
My name is Vincent.
Vincent.
Servanias Glass.
Oh, Servanias Glass. Oh, Servanias Glass. Look, very nice.
Ito boss niya, mama.
Oh, hello boss. So they make windows here. Wow, look at that. And look at this. This is made of what? Aluminum. Ah, and it's black. Nice, eh?
Very nice.
Yeah. And you make it here. Wow. Good glass.
So this is a classic cottage industry. Small business where they actually manufacture windows. And it looks like they make some real quality windows.
Very nice. Look, this is the made one.
So do you do custom work or standard sizes? Any Many thanks.
Turns out that the woman who owns this window manufacturing business knows a farmer who would be delighted to give us a tour of his farm and sell us a large box of fresh mangoes from his own mango orchard.
Yeah, so we have another adventure coming up, and this is the nicest guy that will take us.
Hakubo Garmay.
Garmine?
Garmay.
Garmine? This is Sir Jacobo Garmine will take us to Mango Farm Tour.
Woohoo!
Yay! Let's go!
Okay.
So this very nice lady is coming with us to show us the mango plantation. So she's saying that this year has a better harvest.
Oh, is that
They
right?
got an abundant harvest for this year compared for the last year.
Yeah.
Wow, why is that? Because of all the rain?
Oh, sa ulan, sa ulan man.
Yeah, yeah,
Sa
because of the
tempo.
rain and the weather.
Interesting.
Yeah.
It helps.
So we are on our way to the mango farm of Mr. Jacob, and it's an honor to see his mango farm. Okay, so this is Sitio Bakiawan, Barangay of Concordia Sur. And you know, it's so interesting because the soil is red. So maybe that's why the mango is sweeter than any other places. Alright, so we have to turn left here. We're following the owner. I guess we're close. This is so exciting. Maybe we can stop here. Ah, he's trying to take away the cows for us.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move
Pwede
forward.
na, Tokob? Kasulod sa lakyan?
He
Sulod?
said we can do it.
Hi, Mr. Cow. And Mrs. Cow. Okay, so we're following him in.
Oh my god, just when we thought we were there, we had a few more kilometers to travel. Where was he taking us? This was starting to get just a little bit scary.
We are here! Mr. Kobo said we are here. So we're just gonna leave our car here. Mr. Kobo will show us his farm.
Just when I thought the Jody adventure couldn't get more adventurous. Take a look around you. This is what you call an adventure.
Alright, let's follow Mr. Kobo down there.
And while following Mr. Kobo to his orchard, I thought about what I researched about mangoes being grown and harvested in the Philippines. I read that the mango is the national fruit of the Philippines and is grown by about 2.5 million small farmers on more than 7 million mango trees. Mango is a highly valued crop compared to other crops grown in the Philippines, such as rice, corn, coconut, and sugarcane, and greatly boosts the rural and national economy.
Wow, look at that. They wrap the mango fruit.
Oh, is that a mango tree?
Yeah, a big one.
Wow, I've never seen a big one.
This is your adventure, Joe! Look who's excited!
Para hindi pa ganun katapat lang.
Wow! Ah, okay.
Oh.
To the fly.
Fruit fly, mo ng fruit fly kasi silok sa linggo.
Ah, okay. So they put a, how do you call it, Han? They put something there, then the
Honey?
flies will-
Honey ni Sakol?
Oh,
Honey. They put honey?
honey.
Yeah, they put honey so that the fruit fly would go after it instead of the mangoes.
Instead of the mango.
Yeah, that's right. Look at this. And the mangoes are safe.
And the mangoes are safe. Wow, isn't that interesting?
Yeah, it is.
Each one of them are wrapped.
Wow.
That's so big. Ang pilang kilo ko, mabakal kami.
Now, are these yellow mangoes or are they green mangoes?
They are yellow mangoes, but you can also eat the green mangoes. As green. When they ripen, so
Kaya na yung makabisaya.
Ilonggo man tanan.
Sabi ka sa dampi. Ay, sorbet, lupa ka huna. Sa Rojas, sa tanan.
Bati naka-survey ka sa bayuyan?
Basi kami ito kasurvey sa una.
Sa dutod.
Oo, tulukod.
Na, basta yung survey mo itong duta.
Ikaw to naka-survey pagka sa Munduta. Small world!
Yeah.
He was a surveyor before. He probably surveyed our mountain. Ah, okay. So they plant corn over there. And there are houses over there too.
Ay, sino balay ra dito ko?
Amo na balay ko.
Oh, that's Cobo's house. Very nice.
A banana tree.
Kilo, kwaon nyo.
Oh my God, this is a mango tree too. It's so big. I never dreamed that they were so big. Oh my God, look at how big this tree is. I thought a mango tree was very small. And it was more like an orchard. Each mango is round.
So, if you
Protect from
want
the bugs.
mango, come to Guimaras. Come to Cobo. He'll give you really good mangoes. Paano naputos?
Ask him how he wraps
Paano
each one of them.
Kapit na sila ma'am, may tali. Tapos sige na.
Dili mo.
And how long does it take before they pick them?
No, pila ka bulan bago ma-harvest ang mangga.
117 or 115 days.
Okay.
Ang pinaka ano na gani, amon sa magulang ko nagligay. 123 days. Ang damo na.
So, after 123 days, you can harvest the mango. Yeah.
Interesting.
And they
So
said
what do? They climb a ladder and
they I guess
wrap
they
each one of
tie
them?
themselves somewhere. They have a hook in their body and they fly around like a Spider-Man and then
Oh.
wrap all the fruits
I see.
with newspapers.
Yeah,
Oh, that would be fascinating to show.
interesting. Okay,
All right.
that's it. Wow, very nice. Thank you very much. Hey, May, what do you have there?
I got 3 unripe mangoes, so let's unwrap it.
Oh my goodness, he took them right off the tree.
Yeah. Took it right off the tree, only for me. And
Only for you.
Yeah.
Oh. So what do? You eat those with salt
with salt and with shrimp paste.
and with shrimp paste? Oh, cool. Very interesting. Okay, back up the hill. It's like mountain climbing. Mountain climbing again. Wow, coconuts are falling. Or is somebody up there?
Somebody's up there.
Oh, I thought they were just falling.
Good in climbing coconut trees.
Wow.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
So perfect.
Ilaman mo tuwan ni bado.
He's up there somewhere.
Nangon man, nangon man.
Amura, abot mo na. Okay.
Look at this.
Wow.
Want it?
Sure, I'll have some.
So good. Nami.
Very nice.
Nami.
Good little Tanduay rum in there, pineapple juice, and you got a pina colada.
Look, he's coming down.
Oh my god.
Whoa, he's so quick.
Yeah. Are you the official coconut gatherer?
Yes.
The official coconut picker. Very good. That is really high up. Oh, God. Wow.
Export.
Yeah.
Pwede gusto na pa ngayon. Kutsara-kutsara, balate. Namamutong kami. Ngayon kami namin yun. Butong.
I need a straw. Oh my God, that's so good.
So good, eh?
Mm-hmm.
And also eat.
Oh my God. So good. So, what is the part that you eat?
This one.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
So since we don't have an official spoon, we're gonna be using,
Part of the coconut shell.
yeah,
Interesting.
exactly.
And then you do it like, because there's a coconut meat that's left, you do like this.
Yeah.
Mm.
Ako te. Thank you, gidan te. Yeah. Oo naman.
So good.
Wow. Nice.
This is our lunch.
Yeah.
Can't turn the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go.
Kumangani.
May amon din, may lubi. Wait, man.
Hi. Coconut.
Without spoon.
Nothing like fresh coconut. I hear if you're constipated, this really loosens you up. So I'm expecting to be very loose tonight.
Too much information.
Is that too much information?
Amo na dyan niya balagay. Hindi blessing mo ka ron? Daway ka nakapasa? Hoy pa.
So after a very interesting time looking at the mango trees, we had some coconut, and now we're heading back to the car.
If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss any future Jody adventures. And maybe you too can come here and get some coconut and mangoes.
Especially mangoes.
Yes. See you in the next video.
Bye now.
Yeah.
Yeah. See you in the next video. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching.
All the swinging